How to fix the npx create react app not working in Visual Studio Code. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to set up a React application on your VS Code but are not able to due to some of the issues, here are some of the troubleshoot that you need to try. First and foremost, you need to check for Node.js and npm installation. For this, you can directly open the command prompt on your device, then type in node -v to check the version of Node installed on your device. Likewise, for the nvm version, you have to type in nvm/v. However, if it is not installed on your computer, visit the official website and install the Node and the npm on your device. Likewise, sometimes the issue could be because of the outdated version of npm. In order to update it globally, run the command npm install -g npm in your terminal or command prompt. Sometimes issue can also arise due to corrupted npm cache, so you can clear it as well. The command is npm cache clean --force. Once you hit it, you can now try to create the application again. However, if it's still creating an issue, make sure to check for the error and copy the path on the search bar. From there, you have to delete your npm section and then go to the location and create a new folder called as npm. After this, you can try to create the React app again and it should probably work. However, if it does not, try running outside Visual Studio Code. You can open the terminal or command prompt. After that, type in npx create react app and see if the issue persists. It helps to isolate whether the problem is specific to Visual Studio Code or not. Additionally, alternate way by which you can create a React app is using yarn instead of npm. First of all, install yarn globally by typing in npm install -g yarn. After that, create a React app using yarn create react app my app. And this should probably work. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.